Hey guys, this is Mani Karthik here, and in this video we'll show you how to make money online from home. And by home, I mean from any place of your comfort. By the end of this video, you will have learned the tried and tested ways to make money from home, and all you will need to do is choose the one that's most suited for you. So stay tuned till the end. By the way, let me assure you that none of the ways that we discussed in this video will require any significant investment to get started. So you can put all those worries aside. But enough of talking, let's jump straight into the video. Earning money by selling courses or tutorials online. The pandemic has made online learning everyone's preferred way of upskilling. I mean, you are watching this video to learn something new, right? Today is literally the best day to market your expertise as a course in the digital world. With the internet, you can create and sell a course on anything: playing guitar, sketching, poker, baking, coding, etc. Heck, there's a course on Star Trek on the internet. What's more, when it comes to creating a course, you can pick any format you like: explanatory PDFs, docs, video courses, or even lengthy books. Pick a format that suits you best and get started. See, the overall idea is to create a worthy course that you can monetize. The format does not play a great role. Now, what sells a course? Remember, a well-planned, creative, and interactive course will always stand out from the crowd. Think about it this way. Who was your favorite school teacher? The one who knew everything, or the one who engaged you through examples and stories while covering the syllabus? The second one, right? See, what I'm trying to point out here is that there is a method to creating a more enjoyable course. Put in the work into ideating, strategizing, and planning, and you will find your course generating a substantial revenue. Where do most people fail though? People put their courses on already populated websites and then wonder, why don't they stand out? I mean, just think about it. If there is a lot of fish in the sea, your addition does not really matter. By the way, improving and updating the quality of your course is a must once it starts getting traction. I can't emphasize enough on the importance of refreshing the content of your course as your skill level improves. And now here's the fun part about making money by selling a course online. You only need some initial investment, and any subsequent modifications and maintenance costs are almost minimal. With the right planning and execution, you can easily start making a six-figure earning from the comfort of your home. Yep, you heard that right. Next up, we have freelancing. Did you know that freelancing comes from free plus lancing, meaning soldiers for hire in the early 1800s? Well, freelancers don't fight anymore these days though. Freelancing has steadily become the most popular way to make money online, and rightfully so. After all, you'll get to pick and choose the projects you want to work on. The pandemic has normalized remote working, and businesses worldwide now outsource smaller projects. To start, you need to narrow down what you want to do and determine the price of your services. You can target a variety of roles such as copywriting, digital marketing, graphic design, video editing, sales, and so forth. How much you can earn from freelancing will depend on how unique your skills are and also your level of expertise in it. What's cool about freelancing is that you need no prerequisites for it. You are good to go with a skill and a suitable platform. Now, what do I mean by a suitable platform? Let me explain. Traditional websites like Fiverr, Upwork, TopTal, etc. are a good place to start, as they only require you to create an account to start your work. But if you intend to do this for the long haul or the long term, I cannot stress enough the importance of developing your own brand. Here's my recommendation: build your own brand. And how do you do that? By hosting your own online storefront. There will come a time when your customers will recognize your services by your name. And that's the day when you stop relying on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to get your work. There's another silver lining also here. You won't have to constantly compete with other freelancers with your online platform. When your brand speaks for itself, you can just sit back and relax. The logic is simple here. With your own store, you can personally reach out to your potential clients, and with your brand backing up your credibility, projects are bound to fall in your lap. Next up is blogging. Are you gifted in the art of storytelling? Is creativity second nature to you? If so, blogging might just be the thing for you. Let me give you some context before I begin. Blogging began as a way for people to express themselves, but has since evolved into a lucrative business. With the power of the modern QWERTY keyboard, the opportunities with blogging are limitless. Don't take my word for it, just look at how blogging powerhouses like Adam and Froy, Harsh Agarwal and Deepak Kanagraju have built their empires. Here's all the setup that you need to start blogging. A laptop, a working internet connection, and that's it. Now, let's talk about what avenues you can explore with blogging. You can write for yourself on platforms such as WordPress, Medium, and Blogger. Work as a ghostwriter or work on contractual basis for other businesses. Fun fact, world-famous horror writer Stephen King began his career as a freelance blogger and his current net worth is $450 million. Just saying. I'll mention the main advantage of blogging now. You can write about anything under the sun. Every content genre already has a sizable audience in 2022. And on top of that, you can write in the language and style that are most comfortable for you. And the fun doesn't end there. You can also profit more from your blogs by using ad networks, guest posts, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and so on. Next up is sell novelty products online. Do you think that only generic or conventional products sell online? If you said yes, you are in for a surprise. People who have seen Shark Tank must know about this brand called Farda clothing, right? As explained on the show, it has generated a vast revenue with their chic and trendy streetwear collection. Another company called the Nonsense Store has garnered a large client base with their quirky and unusual games. Similarly, I can give you countless other examples. Entrepreneurs selling essential in-game components, NFTs, themed memorabilia, vintage postcards, antique coins, bobbleheads, to name a few from the top of my head. Long story short, bring in a different and unique or a quirky product to the table and people are guaranteed to be curious about it. And that's exactly what you need. Make people wonder about your product and the sales will come rolling in. But now a much needed word of caution for everyone here. There's a small hurdle that comes with the territory of the product. When I say e-commerce, giant platforms like Amazon and Flipkart might come to your mind, but they aren't suitable for sellers of novelty products. The reason is that these products tend to get lost among the list of other mainstream commercial products. Again, this isn't something that can't be resolved. I'll give you a simple solution. Just sell your quirky products on personalized e-commerce websites, just as Farda and Nonsense Store does. Did you know about these two brands before Shark Tank? Let us know in the comment section below. Next up is sell homemade or customized merchandise. If you have a knack for creating goods, the e-commerce route is the best option for you. There's a market for everything online, from scrunchies to belts to keychains to thrift stores, everything. Currently, there are hundreds of custom and handicraft shops that generate good revenue with their personalized products. And with a little effort, you can join their likes too. Now let's talk about how you will get there. The best way to get a head start at the initial level is to create an account for your business on Instagram and Facebook, add your storefront's link in the description, and connect with your potential customers yourself. Marketing via Instagram and Facebook is already proven to be a successful model. Want to know about the benefits of a digital storefront? Where do I begin? Among many other things, it also helps you manage your orders better, list your inventory better, and share information with your existing customers better. The trend is for sellers to start by marketing on Instagram and Facebook and then shift to other storefronts once the business picks up. Coming to the big question of what is needed to sell a product online, the list is small. A credible storefront, a solid marketing strategy, and a good product. Why a good marketing strategy, you ask? Because there's a lot of competition in this domain. Do the math with me here. You can spend time, money, and effort into hosting a website, listing your products, managing the inventory, and learning marketing. Or you can save all that effort and take the easy and more effective way. Simply list your storefront using credible platforms and it will make everything else happen for you. A study by Business Standard estimates that the Indian e-commerce sector will grow 84% in the next 4 years with the push that it has gotten from the pandemic. Trust me, this is the best time to jump into the bandwagon. I'll reiterate again, the key to making money online is to provide value-based services or goods with an entrepreneurial spirit and a great product, and there's nothing you can't achieve. Dukaan, our platform, saves you time and effort since you don't have to put in hours into marketing your goods and services. Dukaan does all of that for you. As soon as you list your store on Dukaan, you can start selling instantly and join the hands of companies like Handflies, The Gift Store, Craftistic Heart, View Online, and others that are growing exponentially by using Dukaan. We hope this video has given you a fail-proof plan to get started with making money online. Now you tell us, what other cool ways of making money online from home can you think of? We're waiting to know in the comment section below. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to our channel to not miss out on the upcoming ones. Until next time, this is Mani Karthik signing off.